innovative real estate brands add Shiba Inu as payment. It just seems like Shiba Inu is always in crypto news, but let's break this down. I love this because cryptos is expanding with cryptocurrency and now with real estate. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. This is the Captain and this is also the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, two innovative consumer real estate brands, Pacaso and Condos.com, now accept Shiba Inu payment via BitPay, which is great news because BitPay is the world-leading crypto payments provider. Recently announced that it has partnered with two innovative consumer real estate brands, Pacaso and Condos.com. The partnership will enable people to buy real estate with a few cryptocurrencies, including yours truly, Shiba Inu. Now, per the announcement, buyers could use various cryptocurrencies, to pay for the second home on Pacaso from October 20th, 2022. Then, the second home is an extra residence at beaches, shore, or in the country where one goes for vacation. Now, contract. Condos customers will be allowed to purchase new and pre-construction condos using the nascent asset class. Now look at Condos.com and Pacaso. These are two leading providers in a real estate business. Pacaso is a leading real estate platform that helps its clients to buy and co-own luxury second home at a much affordable price while removing the typical hassle of home ownership. And then Condos.com is a global digital marketplace aiming to provide customers with a simple and seamless online condo buying experience. So this is good news here, and you see there's more announcement, including this right here, comes at a demand for crypto payments has increased over the past few months, prompting more real estate industry companies to integrate crypto in their payment option. And then recently, New York's Magna Real Estate allowed its customers, or was to say clients, to purchase a 3-store retail condominium space in Manhattan's Upper East Side for $29 million in Bitcoin. I'm telling you, cryptocurrency is going to get adopted. It's going to get regulated at some point because companies and brands is already starting the process. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. This is the Captain and you have been watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.